They always told us, study hard to become successful. But they never told us how to become wealthy. For years, they taught us to fear money, but billionaires? They don't fear it, they don't run from it. They simply understand one important truth. A truth schools never talk about. I was just like you. I thought success meant good grades, a good university, a good job. Until one day, I met a 65-year-old man. Someone who never even went to school, yet was wealthier than all my teachers combined. He told me 3 truths that no school ever teaches us. Truth 1. School trains you to become a good employee. Not a great moneymaker. In school, you learn not to make mistakes. But billionaires got rich because they made mistakes. Every mistake is an investment for them. But in school, every mistake equals a bad grade. Truth 2. School doesn't teach you how money works, it only teaches you how to work for money. But billionaires learn to hire money like an employee. Investing, money-making skills, building systems. Not running after a paycheck. Truth 3. School gives you a sense of security, but billionaires know there's only one real security. The ability to create money anytime, anywhere. That means skill, not a diploma. That day changed my life, because I realized how many important things we were never taught. Now it's your turn. Do you want to work for money your whole life? Or do you want money to work for you? If you want more of these truths, hit subscribe now. There are things nobody tells you, but I'm going to reveal them one by one.